Cherry is a chihuahua who loves cheese. Cherry wants to open her own cheese shop. With her chin in her hand, she wonders how to do this. After all, Cherry is small. Chihuahua is a very small dog of a smooth-haired, large-eyed breed originating in Mexico. So can you find words which starts with ch sound? Ch, ch, cherry. Ch, ch, chihuahua. Ch, ch, cheese. Ch, ch, chin. How do you call chihuahua? Chi-wa-wa, chihuahua. Charlie is a town cat who lives in Cherry's neighborhood. So she chooses him to help her open the cheese shop. We can call it Cherry and Charlie's Cheesy Delights, says Cherry. Charlie agrees to help. So easy way to read neighborhood is hood. A-E-I-G-H is called A. A as in eight. Nate, freight, way, neighbor. Cherry and Charlie have a long chat about the cheese shop. They finally open it next to the church. A lot of church-going people start coming to Cherry and Charlie's cheese shop. So find the words that start with ch sound. Ch, ch, Cherry. Ch, ch, Charlie. Ch, ch, church. Ch, ch, chat. Ch, ch, cheese. Ch, ch, Charlie. Ch, ch, cheese. Very good, children. Cherry and Charlie both work together at the new shop. Charlie chops up the cheese and Cherry serves it cheerfully to the customers. Soon, Cherry and Charlie's Cheesy Delights become famous in the neighborhood. So cheerfully means happily. Find words beginning with ch sound. Ch, ch, cheerfully. Ch, ch, cherry. Ch, ch, chops. Ch, ch, Charlie. Ch, ch, cheese. Ch, ch, cheesy. Can you name some cheesy delights? Like cheese Maggie, cheese toast. Yummy! Do you like it? Wow! Cheese omelette, cheese paratha. Yum, 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 yummy! So, chief. Why is chief spelling not CHEIF? Because we use EI with C. Examples, ceiling, conceive. When there is C before EI sound, then we use EI and not IE. So in chief, it is CH before IE sound. If it was only C in place of CH, then we would use EI. So let's read words beginning with CH. Chief, chain, cherry, Charlie, checks, cheese, chair.
Have you enjoyed reading? Then please subscribe.